Hey, this is Arvum Plant Labs. We're going to do a demo of our online application today. Arvum specializes in agricultural testing around cannabis plants and how to optimize your plant health in real time. So today I'm going to show you guys how to navigate our platform and the different ways to view your data. So the first way to do that is we can actually go into our reports up here. So you can see here, we can click on this and we can see all the different tests that we've done over the past several months. You can see all the different test types in here. In this case, we're looking at plant tissue, but of course we have soil, fertilizer, water runoff, nutrient, microbial, hoplite, and heavy metals and fusarium test. What's great about our system, you can really categorize this thing and organize them by different parts of the plant's life cycle. So you can look at stage, if you look at like by cultivar, and there's other options as well. And right now we're going to look at our plant tissue test for the flowering cycle here, and then we can also look at our primary nutrients, which you can toggle these on and off, secondary and micronutrients. And you can see here we've color coded a lot of these too to show like if you're at different levels of your different analytes. So in this case, nitrogen's low, calcium's a bit high, manganese is on the deficient side, and you can see all of those throughout your plant's life cycle that we've got here. And that's one way to look at your data. The second way to look at your data is through our COAs, which means Certificate of Analysis. You go over here on the left and click this. This will pull up your COA. And this gives all your data as well too, like when the collection date was, what test type it was, the label, stage, days and stage, and the cultivar as well. You can see all that here. And then you have your values and your lab scores for all the different analytes as well. And that's the second way to take a look at your data. And the third way is through our analytics engine, and that's over here. So you can click on analytics and you start your start date, so when your tests were done. So in this case, I want to move it back. And you can see all the different tests that we've done over time. And then we can also look at it by the day and stage it's in. And then you can see here we've got veg day 8, veg day 15, flower 1, flower 8, etc., all the way to the end of the flower cycle. And if you select the stage on it, you can see the target values for that as well. And this is what we call a trend analysis, like how is a plant's nutrition uptake trending over time. This is really helpful. So let's say you're in doubt flower day 1 and you can see, oh, my nitrogen levels are a little high. On the next time, now you can adjust your feed schedule to accommodate for that. So now you want to feed it with less nitrogen, and you can see over time we're lowering those nitrogen levels through either reducing the amount of nitrogen in the feed or by doing a flush of the plant to remove some of that different nitrogen or different fertilizer you might have in it, and we can stabilize it to get to that target range. And eventually, as we get towards the end of flowering, we want those in the deficient range, so we're actually stripping all those nutrients out of the plant that will actually improve the quality and the taste of your flowers itself. And of course, you can see all of your other tests down here as well. That's just a COA. And that's a great way to do trend analysis. And of course, you can select all the analytes here as well, and you can see how those trend over time as well. See phosphorus looks great, potassium, etc. So, and that's how you look at all your data in the Arvum platform.